A small buzzer module arrives for your kitchen or receipt printer. This device sounds an alert whenever an order or receipt prints. This buzzer uses the cash drawer connection on the back of the printer for power and gets instructions from the printer when to print. Requirements: you need a buzzer, a printer, and access to the POS software. The alarm sounds every time the printer tells it to sound. It does this by taking the open drawer command to beep. You must tell your POS software to send the open drawer command by pretending you have a cash drawer installed on the printer. Questions? Consult the page listed below. If configuring the POS software is not an option, then consider adding the paper sensor. The sensor can see when a paper is present and acts independently of the POS software. To set the buzzer to alarm, both the dip switches and the jumpers must be correctly set. Here are the jumpers installed for an Epson printer. Here are the jumpers installed for an Star printer. Set the dip switches as follows for the most popular alarm mode. Turn the printer around and locate the cash drawer, DK port, phone style jack. This is where the buzzer plugs in. Turn the printer on. Listen for the double beep. That means power is good. Print a receipt from your POS system. Did you hear the beep? If so, you've done it. If not, consult the troubleshooting below. Finally, mount the buzzer where staff can hear it. Buzzer troubleshooting. No beep when you turn the printer on? Check these items. Thanks for watching.